In this snip, we're going to learn all about commits in Visual Studio Code for our configured Git instance. In my case, it's going to be GitHub. As you can see, I've opened up my TechSnips demo repository, and I have a few files in here, a couple of shell scripts, a PowerShell script, and a text file. Just for fun, let's say that I no longer need my PowerShell script, so I can go ahead and right-click on that and remove it from my repository. And just for fun, let's also add some more text to my text file, like TechSnips is awesome. And we'll save that. Now, as I've been making these changes, you see that over on the left-hand side in my version control tab, it looks like I have a notification with 2 changes. And once we click on that, you can see, oh, look, I have modified a file and I have discarded a file or deleted a file. Now that we have made a couple of these changes, let's go ahead and look at what committing looks like from within Visual Studio Code. There's a plus that you can see next to that M or that D, and what that will do is add that file to a staged commit. So just for fun, let's go ahead and add this newest file to our commit. And up here in our commit message, we can go ahead and add our message. So let's say deleting newest file.ps1. And once we've added our message, we can go ahead and click the check mark in order to add that commit. What we can also do, if we'd like, is we can actually discard our changes. So for this new file, even we can look at the diff first, see that we've added that TechSnips is awesome. And for some unknown reason, if we decided that we didn't want to add that to a text file, we can go ahead and click this discard changes. Now, once we discard our changes, let's just go back and see. As you can see, that PowerShell script is now gone, and in my new file.txt, we no longer have TechSnips is awesome. Once we are ready to push that into GitHub or into Git, we will click this ellipsis here, and we can click push to. And whenever we click push to, that'll give us an option of any configured remote repository. In my case, I only have the origin configured of the TechSnips demo repository. And so let's go ahead and click on that, and that will push out. Once we've pushed our commit, we can go out to GitHub and confirm our changes. And after we refresh the page, we can see that that PowerShell script is no longer present in our repository. Thanks for watching.